Okay, so we are going to look at how to make a interactive poll with Poll Everywhere. It's very simple. After you make a free account, just click on Create a Poll Now. And usually what will happen is this box will pop up and you can either watch a quick video on how to create a poll or you can just get started. And for our example, we're going to do what is your favorite color. Now you have a few options you can pick for the type of poll you want. You have your standard multiple choice where you can add an answer, make up to 4 answers, even 5, and you can have them select the responses you want. But for an open-ended question like what is your favorite color, that won't always work. So you can pick an open-ended question where their answers will display with a text wall, a word cloud. It'll make a cluster of text wall responses, kind of a combination of a text wall and a word cloud, or a running ticker. The other type of polls you can do are Q&A brainstorms where they can submit ideas or questions to you, or a clickable image, upload an image and have them respond to that. So we're going to go with an open-ended poll. We're going to select word cloud, and then you go down here, and this is true for any type of poll. You would just hit create. Takes a second. And then there's your poll. So as you see, it gives you 2 ways for students to respond. When your poll is active, they can go to the website if they have a computer or an iPad and go to pollev.com/your username and a number that follows. Once they're there, they can submit answers to you and it'll pop up on the screen, or they can text your name, your username, and the number to this phone number, and they can just submit answers with their phones. But going back to our poll, you can change the visual settings. You can pick the color scheme. You can change that if you'd like. The font, title, basically anything you'd like. Over here, you can pick how they want to how you want your students to respond. You can select either just the website or just text messaging, or have them have both ways. And then to test our poll, click over here. First you have to activate it, of course, and you do that by clicking this button. So if you want to test it yourself, this little box pops up and our question, what is your favorite color? And you see it pops up, and if you want to just see a few more answers to make sure it's going, of course, spell your answers right. Now if a student or multiple students select the same answer, you'll see that that word or that response will get bigger and bigger. It's very simple. You can set a timer as well. Down here, you can set up to 99 minutes, essentially 100 minutes. You can start it. Whenever you go full screen, that will also make your poll live, and that'll be when they're allowed to answer your poll. The same would be true if you were doing a multiple choice or any type of poll. It would be over here, or they can do it. They could submit answers with the website or the text messaging, and you would get the answers in the same way. It'll show a chart that'll be a bar graph or any way you want it to display. And it's very simple, and that's Poll Everywhere.